This is so sad. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. So if it's your first time and you just came across my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are my subby, thank you for watching. So Linda Toba, she was in USA and she took pictures with one of the famous celebrities, which is Selena Gomez, and I think also with Miley Cyrus. And then there was this blogger, I don't know where is that blogger from, and then she cut off the picture of Linda Mtoba and then left the other two celebrities, and then it wrapped Zanzi in their own way. Some were making fun of it, some were feeling bad for her. So yeah, that's it. See you on my next video. Bye.